Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about mean value theorem. So now I want to show you how to answer. In this situation, we can use about mean value theorem. So the formula that should be like this. So if we look carefully about this one, we can change this one into C. And now we transform this one into this one. We know that A in this situation that is about number 8. B that is about number 2. So similar in here. So A minus number 2, we have number 6. Now we multiply both sides by number 6. This one we have 18. This one we have 30. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.